estimate concentration of cholesterol in serum. Principle: cholesterol is first dehydrated and oxidized by sulfuric acid 3,5 cholesterol, which polymerize to its dimer bis 3,5 cholesterol. In presence of acetic acid and excess of sulfuric acid, this dimer is finally converted to disulfonic acid derivative, which interacts with ferric chloride to give purple color complex. Method is Henle method. Reagent used: ferric chloride, sulfuric acid and standard cholesterol. Reagent first: ferric chloride 0.05 gram% in acetic acid. Dissolve 50 milligram ferric chloride in 100 ml acetic acid. Second reagent: concentrated sulfuric acid. And third, standard cholesterol. Standard cholesterol concentration 200 milligram per deciliter in acetic acid. Dissolve 200 milligram cholesterol in 100 ml acetic acid. Procedure: take 3 test tube, 1 marks blank, second test and standard. In test sample, take 0.1 ml test sample. In standard tube, take 0.1 ml standard sample. In blank, we take 0.1 ml acetic acid. Add ferric chloride 3 ml in each tubes. Add sulfuric acid 2 ml in each tube. Now we perform estimation of cholesterol by Henle method. We take 3 test tube. We take 3 test tube and mark blank B, standard S and test T. We take 3 test tube, 1 mark B, second S and T. In blank, we take 0.1 ml, means 100 microliter. 0.1 ml acetic acid. In standard, we take standard cholesterol 100 microliter or 0.1 ml. In test tube, we take unknown cholesterol sample 0.1 ml. Take 3 test tube, 1 is blank, second is test, third is standard. We take 3 ml ferric chloride in each tube. Two ml in each tube. Take sulfuric acid with care and with shaking. If you take sulfuric acid directly, all cholesterol molecules burn and sample will be black. Mix and take slowly. This is blank, no color. Standard and test has color. This color intensity is measured by the instrument of colorimeter at 560 nanometer. Mix well and left all tubes at room temperature for 15 minutes. Then we calculate optical density on instrument colorimeter. Then we calculate concentration of unknown sample is equal to OD of test upon OD of standard into concentration of standard. OD of test upon OD of standard into 200. Now we take optical density of a sample. This instrument is colorimeter. At first we take blank tube for 0 setting for 0. Now we set 0 this knob 0 and take OD of standard 0.1 and OD of standard. Now we calculate 1.8 upon 1.8 into 200 cancel is equal to 200 milligram per deciliter. Concentration of unknown sample is 200 milligram per deciliter. Normal range of cholesterol is 150 to 200 milligram per deciliter.